Let's make these buttery, flaky, homemade biscuits. Look how, This is a very simple recipe. All you need is 2 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of baking powder. Make sure it's baking powder, 4 tablespoons. And then you're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of baking soda, salt, and sugar optional. And you're going to whisk this all together. And then you're going to grate in some frozen butters. So after you grate the whole stick, you want to mix this together until it's like a gritty looking texture. And then you want to go in with a cup of buttermilk. I pour in half. Then I'm folding it in because you're really not mixing this together. And then I go in with the rest of my buttermilk. So the option to this, if it's too wet, add some flour. If it's too dry, add some milk, some buttermilk. Simple. So you want to fold this in together. Then you want to flour your surface and flour your hands. Then you're going to put your dough mixture on there, and you're going to just really knead and fold this. This is all you do. The more you fold it like I'm doing, the more flakier it'll be. If it's sticking to your surface, just add some more flour at the bottom, and then just keep folding. Fold at least 8 times. That's how you're going to give it very flaky in there. So you're going to butter your pan. And I don't have a cookie cutter. I got a glass. Do his work for you, honey. It's not that serious. So when you cutting out your biscuits, you don't want to twist it. All you doing is pushing down, and then it will pop up. But baby, we leave no dough behind. We're going to use all this dough. Just make it, in the size that you want. And then what's left over, just patty it up and make it. Already have your oven preheated at 325. So we're going to egg wash this, add a little milk in there. So first you're going to add some melted butter on top, and then you're going to go in with your egg wash. And like I said, your oven is already on 325, and just look at it until it's golden brown. That might take 20 or 30 minutes. I don't know. But here's the after look, and I'm going to go over it with some butter. But y'all, look how flaky. Look how buttery these biscuits is. But I wanted an extra step. I went on and made me some sausage gravy. Comment down below if you want this recipe for this sausage gravy. It was banging. It was so good. But this is how I make my fluffy, buttery, homemade biscuits. It's a very simple, easy recipe. If you tried my recipe, if you want to try my recipe, comment down below and let me know. But yeah, these were so good.